Father's Day gift?
Yes, you do.
Oh, I
What?
want to
Here,
see
this is
it.
for you, Tatay.
For you.
Well, thank you.
Parang
Alright.
Ronda Rousey.
You know her?
No, I want to know her. I'm sorry.
Next life, dapat ganito ka.
UFC
Number one
fighter.
UFC fighter. Babae siya.
Then, next.
Yeah.
Wow, my idol.
Kasi ikaw yung nagluluto talaga, di ba?
Yes, late bloomer ako sa pagluluto.
What has he cooked recently na masarap?
I love his steaks po.
Okay, wait. Ano nung grade nyo?
Grade
Grade
9 po.
Oh my God, bilis. Okay, bago magpasukan, you were super busy, di ba, with Forevermore.
Yes.
Now naman, si Mina naman, si inaalak ang busy, di ba?
Correct.
So, ngayon, nagbaliktad na naman, di ba? Ikaw
Yes.
na naman yung super hands-on. So, since you are super hands-on, I'm sure there are some things pa na additional stuff na kailangan. Kasi di ba minsan nagugulit na lang tayo na parang, uy, additional requirements pala to.
Sa school, oo.
Perfect because now we are in National Bookstore where you can
Yes.
find everything that you guys will need to make schooling complete and convenient. Miss Sandra Ramos Padilla, the Managing Director of National Bookstore, and sasama siya sa atin para dun sa mga pahabol items that Cassie and Maddie will need.
Hi!
Hello.
Thanks for
You,
coming.
the kids are in school na?
Yeah, so actually we find pagpasok sa school, marami pang mga kulang pala. Hindi naman wala na siya sa checklist, pero parang kailangan mo pala.
Okay, let's go.
Let's
Tignan
go.
natin kung ano yung mga kailangan nila.
I think I need markers.
Markers.
Yeah.
There, tara.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
A laptop ba?
Oh, yes, please. I need a laptop.
Ano
Oh,
size
yeah.
laptop? Wait, I saw that. That was a gift. Di
Yeah,
ba binigay mo
for our
birthday?
birthday.
Yeah,
So, ano
birthday
yung
nila.
13-inch?
So I need it for my blogging.
What's it called?
Just my name, cassievilagaspi.blogspot.com.
Oh, hanapin natin. Ano daw yun?
No, kailangan niya ng
Star
USB
Wars
sa ID.
Oh yeah, I also need
Opo,
flash
okay.
drive.
Also for your...
Ako titingin dito. Your notebook, since you said your mom chose generic notebooks, you can choose. And then they'll put your name. Here! You'll choose and then
You
they'll
go
stamp
there.
it with your name.
I think I go for gold.
Magkano if you're gonna personalize it?
It's free. Just buy the notebook.
Tapos na? Ay, ang ganda.
Oh wow!
Ay, cool!
Oh my gosh!
Ay, ang ganda! Let's talk about your project, Aral.
For only 25 pesos,
Ito siya.
you can donate.
This is the 25
yes,
peso pack.
2 notebooks, 2 pencils, eraser, and sharpener. And actually, we've been overwhelmed because it's actually customers donating, and then we bring it to the school on their behalf. This year, we've more than 500,000 already.
Wow!
So much more than last year.
Ang ganda ng layunin ng National Bookstore with Project Aral to help those who need it, di ba? Para at least more people will have the opportunity talaga to study. Kanino mas madali? To shop with your mom or your dad?
My dad.
Bakit? Natatawa na. Bakit? Why?
Because he just lets me go. He says, okay, you can get any notebook, you can get
Pag
anything.
mo,
He says, oh, Cassie, do you want this? Oh, we can get for English, for math, for...
maraming opinion.
Yes.
Okay. Pero sa dad mo, bahala ka na.
Yeah,
Masarap silang i-shopping because they're doing very well in school. Kaya hindi ka manghihinayang. In fairness naman dito sa dalawa, they love going to school. Gustong-gusto nila.
I think also, it came from you as parents, di ba? To make them love school.